Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you specifically how to jump rope for losing weight and being healthy. This will be a simple tutorial, so let's get right into this video. So this right here is a jump rope, okay? It is a skipping rope. And you can use this, believe it or not, to lose weight and be healthy. And it's actually really easy to do, okay? So first and foremost, I won't be actually showing you how to jump rope in this video because that's a whole other video in itself. And you can go look up the method for actually jumping rope or skipping rope separately. But I'll be telling you how to use this to lose weight and be healthy. So essentially, you wanna be able to work your way up to the fastest skipping pace that you can handle, okay? Now, if you're just starting off, it might be a slow pace, but if you've been skipping for a while, it might be a faster pace. But the faster that you can skip with regards to your pacing, the more weight that you'll be able to lose and the healthier that you'll be able to become, okay? Because it's just gonna be more cardio per minute of doing it, okay? So with that being said, all that you need to do is try and consistently jump rope, okay, on a daily basis. And the good thing about skipping is that it is so intense as a cardio mechanism that all you need is like 10 to 15 minutes per day. So essentially, you're gonna pick the fastest pace that you can handle. And once you have the fastest pace that you can handle, you're going to do it daily for 10 to 15 minutes. And if you mess up, like if you trip over the skipping rope and you stop skipping, immediately start again. Don't take a break. That is 10 to 15 minutes with as few breaks as possible, okay? That's the idea behind this. You want to jump rope at your fastest pace for 10 to 15 minutes per day with as few breaks as possible within it. That's it. It's literally that simple. If you do that, you will lose weight, you will be healthier, you will be in a better position, just because skipping is one of the best cardio mechanisms that you can use. It's incredibly amazing for cardio, okay? And that's essentially it. That is how to jump rope for losing weight and being healthy, a simple tutorial. I just wanted to tell you how to do it. It is one of the best ways to get healthy. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.